Water hooping is pride, most definitely. Pride in who I am and who my people are and where I come from.
Historically a battle cry, now a proud statement for North High School sophomore Linwood Morton. After his performance, Linwood was named Mr. Unity at this year's Midyear Unity Conference in Phoenix.
I think it was really exciting for our entire group to just witness, one of our own go out and be, prideful and be loud and represent himself in a way that was, really indicative of the kind of person he is.
For Linwood, that goes beyond the conference. He's a member of North High School's Indigenous Leadership class.
Well, ever since I started reconnecting to my culture and just learning about all our struggles and everything that we deal with, it made me want to make change.
Linwood is, we make the joke of young elders, but I really do think that it's important to, conduct yourself in a way that, you're preparing to become an elder at some point.
15 students from DPS attended the Unity Conference, a chance to meet with hundreds of Indigenous students from across the country.
So I'm trying to prepare them to make those same ties in Indian country, across the nation, because that's really how we start to build our forms of community.
Linwood is learning and taking advantage of opportunities like North High School's Lakota language class. Though not the language of his own Cheyenne Arapaho people, it provides a connection.
Even though it's not my language, it's still a way for me to connect to this way of life.
He's also been active in the creation of a new Denver Unity Youth Council, working to preserve Indigenous heritage and connect the students who will shape the future.
We have a saying, is all my relations, and that means we're all related. We all breathe air, we all live on earth, and we all have a spirit, and we're all connected through that way.